Building a website is a lot like building a house. Lots of different skills and elements go into it. This is how it all works. Laying the foundation, HTML. To start with, the builders lay the concrete foundations. Websites use HTML, hypertext markup language, to create a bare-bones structure, in the same way that our home is made up of parts, like a roof, walls, or floors. HTML is made up of lots of different elements known as tags, from buttons and links to images and headers. These create elements that we can visually see and form the concrete structure of our web page. Becoming an artist, CSS. CSS, Cascading Style Sheets, enables us to become designers. It provides a powerful set of tools that enable almost unlimited expression to transform our website into something more beautiful. We can add colors, crisp, clean typography, and spacing that makes our website appear less cluttered and easier on the eye. With CSS, we can make our websites our own. In our analogy, turning our house into a home, like adding wallpaper, carpets, and curtains. Adding interactivity, JavaScript. When users interact with our page, we want things to happen. In our analogy, that would be like switching on a light or turning on a tap. If we only use HTML and CSS, buttons don't do anything when they're clicked. This is where JavaScript comes in. JavaScript is essentially a list of instructions that we give to the browser, the tool we use when navigating around the internet. For example, when a user clicks on a button, we want to make a drop-down menu appear. JavaScript makes our website respond to the user's behavior. The wow factor, React. Then there's React. React is a JavaScript library that allows us to give our house that wow factor. In our analogy, React would be the addition of something like a smart speaker that adds a whole host of exciting functions to our home. We can build large-scale, seamless user interfaces quickly that provide lightning-fast performance. Famous examples of websites and applications that use React include Facebook, Instagram, Netflix, and Airbnb. Finally, there's Java. Not to be confused with JavaScript. With a website, it's essential that we are able to store information. This is what we call the back end, and is where we store all the data we can't see. In the context of our house, that might be our alarm system or our heater settings. We need an area where we can safely store that data out of sight, and React provides that. So, by combining the front end, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, with the back end, Java, we can build some pretty amazing websites. And the best part? This can all be learnt in 12 weeks. After which, you'll hopefully go on to produce the next great social media app or e-commerce platform.